Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today we shall teach you about Lost Spring by Anish Jung. Multiple choice question, 12th standard CBSE board. First question is, who is the author of Lost Spring? Answer, Anish Jung. Question, name the birthplace of the author. Answer, Rourkela. Question, this story is an excerpt from which book of the author? Answer, Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. Question, according to the author, what was garbage for the children? Answer, a wonder. Question, who was Sahib? Answer, a rag picker. Question, according to the author, what was garbage for the parents? Answer, means of survival. Next question, what is the meaning of Sahib-e-Alam? Answer, Lord of the Universe. Question, why did Sahib-e-Alam not go to the school? Answer, had no money to pay fees. Question, what do the boys appear like to the author in the story? Answer, mourning birds. Question, where was Sahib employed? Answer, at a tea stall in Simapuri. Question, is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Answer, no earning but no freedom. Question, why is the author calling garbage as gold in the story? Answer, because of its encashment value. Question, what does the tea stall owner pay Sahib? Answer, 800 and a meal. Question, how does Sahib earn his living? Answer, B, by picking rage, C, by working in a tea stall. Answer, both B and C. Question, Sahib hailed from which place? Answer, green fields of Dhaka. Question, what forced Sahib to be a rag picker? Answer, acute poverty. Question, where is Simapuri? Answer, East Delhi. Question, why did Sahib leave Dhaka? Answer, because of lack of enough food. Question, what does Sahib look for in the garbage dumps? Answer, some silver coin or currency note. Question, why did Sahib leave his home set amidst the green fields of Dhaka? Answer, storms swept away their homes and fields. Question, the tea canister seems heavier than rag bag to Sahib. Why? Answer, it has deprived him of his freedom. Question, what does the reference to chappal tell us about the economic condition of the rag pickers? Answer, they are still very poor. Question, what is the means of survival in Simapuri? Answer, rag picking. Question, what is the metaphorical symbol of Simapuri in the lesson? Answer, a little hell. Question, what change did Anish Jung see in Sahib when she saw him standing by the gate of the neighborhood club? Answer, all of the above. Question, who are responsible for the poor condition of bangle makers in Firozabad? Answer, all of these. Question, what efforts can help Mukesh materialize his dream of becoming a car driver? Answer, all of the above. Question, how are the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry? Answer, all of the above. Question, who employs the local families of Firozabad? Answer, the glass blowing industry. Question, what is the function of glass blowing industry? Answer, to mold glass and make colorful bangles. Question, what makes the working condition of the children worst in the glass industry? Answer, all of the above. Question, what excuse do the rag pickers give for not wearing chappals? Answer, all of these. Question, who is Mukesh? Answer, bangle maker. Question, what are the reasons for the migration of people from villages to city in the lesson? Answer, sweeping of houses and fields by storms. Question, what compel the workers in Bengal industry of Firozabad to poverty? Answer all of the above. Question: the city of Firozabad is famous for what? Answer: for bangles, चूड़ियाँ. चूड़ियों के लिए फिरोजाबाद फेमस है. आंसर क्वेश्चन: इन व्हाट वे इज वर्किंग इन ग्लास बैंगल इंडस्ट्री हैजार्डस? आंसर: लॉस ऑफ साइट. क्वेश्चन: व्हाट इंस्टेंसेस इन द लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग रिवील्स दैट infrastructurally Firozabad is a neglected city? Answer: garbage strewn here and there with dilapidated working and living condition. Question: what has Mukesh father achieved in life despite years of hard work breaking labor? Answer: he leads a hand to mouth existence in a shack with his family of 2 elderly parents. Question: Firozabad is the center of which industry? Answer: glass blowing industry. Question: how is Mukesh's attitude different from that of his family? Answer: being daring, firm and clear. Question: what is Mukesh's dream? Answer: to be a motor mechanic.